So firstly, congratulations on the win on the trophy. Rohit spoke about how the team was wanting to do this for a long time for you. I mean, tell us a little about it. The raw emotions must be there within the team today.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not usually short of words, but I really have felt really short of words over the last few hours. I just could not be more prouder for this team. The way we've had to fight in difficult situations, and even today, I think was a great testament to the fight in the team to lose 3 wickets in the first 6, to be in the kind of position we were in with 30 balls to go. But we never kept, the boys just kept fighting. They kept believing. And I think it's just a great credit to them. And as a part of the coaching staff and as a member of the coaching staff, I just feel that I feel really grateful because we're getting to enjoy these moments because of what they have done in a pressure situation. So yeah, it was just phenomenal. It's just lovely to be a part of a dressing room like this, and I think it's a memory of a lifetime for me. So I'm really thankful and grateful to the team and everyone in the support staff who's made this possible.
राहुल, रोहित बोल रहे थे कि आपको ये यंग जनरेशन के साथ एडजस्ट करने में टाइम लगा, लेकिन आपने वो किया। वो डिफरेंस क्या होता है? आपने जब क्रिकेट खेली तो डिफरेंस क्या था? अभी के खिलाड़ियों में डिफरेंस क्या है जो आपको संभालना पड़ा?
अलग चीज़ें होती है, अभी आप हर चीज़ पे बात नहीं कर सकते, बट ज़रूर मैं ये कहूँगा कि ये जो आजकल के जो लड़के हैं वो दे फैंटास्टिक टैलेंट है इंडियन क्रिकेट में अभी। एंड जो इन लोगों की एनर्जी है, इन लोगों की कॉन्फिडेंस है, वो एक अलग लेवल की है एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम। और मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है और मैं चाहता हूँ भी ये भी हूँ कि ये एक जो शुरुआत थी, बहुत दिनों से हम ये खोज रहे थे एक ICC ट्रॉफी, और इस कॉन्फिडेंस को आगे लेके जाके मेरे पूरी उम्मीद है कि आगे जाके इंडियन क्रिकेट बहुत सारी ट्रॉफी जीतेगी अगले 4, 5, 6 सालों में, क्योंकि ये जो बंच ऑफ लड़के हैं इनके पास जो एबिलिटी है, टैलेंट है, इसमें कोई कमी नहीं है। और शायद एक मोमेंट था जैसे हमको फील हो रहा था कि हम बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं, अच्छा क्रिकेट भी खेल रहे हैं, पर वो पड़ाव क्रॉस नहीं कर पा रहे थे। पर आज ये होने के बाद मुझे पूरी उम्मीद है कि ये लड़के इसको आगे लेके जाके और बहुत सारे ट्रॉफी
जीतेंगे। Greatest Indian player not to have won the World Cup. So, is there any sense of redemption to this, as winning it as a coach, and what kind of a legacy are you leaving for the Indian team?
Firstly, there is no redemption. I am not one of those guys who thinks about redemption and those kind of things. As a player, I was not lucky enough to win a trophy. But I tried my best. I gave my best whenever I played, and it wasn't to be. And that happens. It's part of sport. There are a lot of other players I know who have not been able to win a trophy. I was lucky to be given the opportunity to coach a team, and I was lucky that this bunch of boys made it possible for me to be able to win this trophy. And it's a great, nice feeling. But it's not like I'm aiming for some redemption. It's just a job that I was doing. I love doing the job. I've loved working with with Rohit and this team, and it's been a great journey, and I've really enjoyed it. I'm not looking for, and again, I'm not a legacy person. I'm not looking for legacies. I just feel glad that we gave it the best we could, and it's not just me. I think I'd like to really just acknowledge the support staff that I've worked with, the coaching staff that I've worked with. I think I've been lucky to have been working with a truly exceptionally hard-working, professional intelligent bunch of coaches and other support staff who have made it possible for us to create a fantastic environment led by Rohit that has, I'm glad, with a bit of luck, resulted in this trophy as well. And I couldn't be happier for this team, and I couldn't be happier for so many of the Indian fans who keep coming out to these games. They keep supporting Indian cricket, they keep supporting world cricket, and you just feel so grateful that you're able to give them a moment like this and something to be really happy about.